Hi, this is Abhishek back with another new vlog where today I'll unbox and install an oximeter which in this pandemic time many of us are looking for to keep a track of our oxygen level. Here I bought this on Flipkart, but you can find in medical stores near you or other e-commerce sites. Links are given on description. So today we'll unbox this, and as you make sure like you have the, when you received you have the seal. I have already opened it. Now once you unbox, so this is a good part, you get the battery and you get some documentations and you get a user manual of all the details. Now inside you get this device. And you get one band. So now we have the device and we put the battery. And here you can have the inside. So now you see the power button, just press it and you see it is switching on. Let me put that finger. So here you can see the numbers, right? So this is shows your BPM, and this one is showing your oxygen level. Take it out and you can see the messages finger out, and here you can see a few of the settings items, but suggest not to do that, so you can bring it to the exit and then long press. That's all we have. Hope you find this vlog useful. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Check out my other video playlist of unboxing and reviews. Stay safe and see you soon with another vlog.